Hello and welcome to Math 160 Business Math Online here at Aiken Technical College. Business Math Online here at Aiken Technical College for the summer of 2011. In today's session, I want to familiarize you with the course and the tabs that are on the right hand side so everyone in the class has the same information and everyone knows how to find the materials that they need for the course. The first page that you arrive at is the announcements page, and on the announcements page for this initial announcement is just the general announcement, but I will change this up from time to time. But today it reads that before beginning any work, please take some time to look around the course. So in this session we're going to look around the course and just explore some things. To do any work or take any test, you must go through the installation wizard. So if you're working on these items at your home, you must go through this installation wizard and install the necessary plugins. To summarize, the second bullet point basically says that we can find the instructor information, the syllabus, and all the different policies under this first course information tab. The third bullet point says whenever you're in doubt, you want to contact me, your instructor, and it's best to pay me an office visit. I'm in office 752. And this semester is going to be a full one, so we don't want ourselves to get behind. We can check our progress in the grade book section, which we'll discuss in just one moment. So let's take a look at the course information section. And in this section you can find my information. I'm your instructor, Diallo Cummings. Here's my email address. Here's my work phone with the extension 1771. My office is room 752, and my office hours are basically Monday through Thursday from 12 to 2. You can also find the syllabus, so I'll let you look through the syllabus at your leisure. You can also find the addendum, and we'll go through the addendum because the addendum determines how your grade is figured. So once the addendum opens, it states that this is the addendum for the summer for Business Math 160. Again, here's my personal information. And here's a grading policy breakdown. We see that the homework is worth 25% of the final grade. The homework is open all semester, but I encourage you to work ahead of the schedule if possible. Whenever you find yourself having trouble, you immediately want to seek help from me, your instructor, or the Academic Success Center. The quizzes are worth 25%. Here again, the quizzes are open all semester. Each quiz can be taken up to 3 times before you take the actual test. But keep in mind that only the highest quiz grade will be counted in your final average. So it won't hurt to take the quizzes more than once. Your tests are worth 25%, and the final exam is worth 25%. The homework, quizzes, and tests are to be done at home. The only time you're required to report to the campus is for the final exam, and information on that will come later in the semester. Next, let's take a look at the course outline. We see that the very first test consists of 4 chapters, chapters 1, 2, 3, and 15, and that test is on May the 30th. Our second test consists of 2 chapters, 4 and 5, and that's June the 9th. Our third test consists of 2 chapters, 6 and 7, on the 21st. The fourth test consists of 2 chapters, 8 and 9. The fifth test only consists of 1 chapter, and it's on July 21st. The last test only consists, the last chapter test, only consists of 1 chapter, chapter 12, and then we have our cumulative final exam. In the course, we have a regular 10-point grading scale. I don't issue any incompletes. And anytime you want to withdraw from the course, it doesn't matter what part of the semester or what your grade is, I will always withdraw you with the W, never a WF. But if it's your intent to withdraw, you must communicate that to me that you wish to withdraw from the course. And that's the addendum, which is located in this course information section. The next section is the tables and forms section. And in the tables and forms section, you can find some tables and forms that are going to help you on the homework, quizzes, and the test. You can use these forms for any test, quiz, or homework. So for example, if I click on the chapter 4 document, we can see that there's 3 documents in this folder. There's a reconciliation form, there's a percentage bracket form, and a wage bracket form. And these items are in the tables and forms, and I will add to this as the semester rolls along. There's also a lecture notes section, and in the lecture notes section, these are basically some PowerPoints that I have created that may help in the course. They're here as some tutorials, supplemental type items, so if you find yourself having trouble, you may want to look through some of the PowerPoints that are in this lecture notes section. There's also a video lecture section, and if we go into the video lecture section, we can see that there's a business mathematics video lecture link. And if we click on that link, here are basically the videos that are associated with the textbook. So for example, for chapter 1, here are all the videos for chapter 1, 2, 3, and for the rest of the chapters that we cover in this particular course. Next, we see there's a due homework link. So I'm going to click on the due homework link. And notice that our homework assignments pop up. So notice that we're given a breakdown of the homework and the homework assignments. One thing you're going to notice is that there aren't any due dates by the homework. But as we can see, chapters 1, 2, 3, and 15 are all in one homework set. But once we get outside of those prerequisite chapters, we notice that the homeworks are broken down per section. And here's the homework as follows. So I'm going to click on the chapter 1 homework assignment. And in this particular assignment, there are a total of 73 problems. So I'm just going to click on one of them. And this is the basic setup for every homework problem in the course. They'll give us the actual problem. Okay, the actual problem is here. They'll give us a math palette on the right. And here's the plus symbol, the minus symbol, the multiplication, and the division. Okay, and this will change according to our problem. On the right hand side, we see there's a help me solve this link. So if I click on the help me solve this, what this feature does is it actually takes the problem that we're given and it'll help us solve it. So I'm going to simply click next. In order to move forward in the